What if you could stop wasting time searching for coupons and just automatically get the best deal every single time you shop online? That's exactly what Coupert does. And honestly, once you try it, you won't shop without it again.
Here we explore projects, exchanges and updates in a simple, engaging way that anyone can follow.
You know the struggle. You're about to check out, you open a new tab, search promo codes, try like 10 of them, and none work. Sound familiar? Yeah, that's exactly why Coupert exists. I installed Coupert. It's a free browser extension, and the moment you hit checkout on any store, it literally takes over the hard part for you. Instead of manually trying codes, Coupert automatically tests every available coupon in seconds and applies the one that saves you the most money, and you can actually see it working. It cycles through codes, rejects the expired ones, and locks in the best one. No guessing, no effort, and this is the part most people miss. They even have something called a max saving guarantee, which means if Coupert somehow misses a valid coupon, you can actually get rewarded. So it's not just automation, it's confidence that you're getting the best deal. Now let's talk about something even better. Getting money back after you shop. Imagine you're buying something you already planned to buy, and instead of just paying and leaving, you actually earn cash back. That's exactly what Coupert does. Right on the store page or cart, it shows you cashback offers. You activate it with one click, complete your purchase, and boom, money comes back to you. And unlike most platforms that take forever, Coupert processes cashback in about 3 to 15 days, which is way faster than the usual 30+ days. You can withdraw it through PayPal, bank transfer, or even gift cards. So you're not just saving money, you're earning it. But here's where it gets really powerful. Let's say you're shopping for a product, maybe a laptop or phone. Normally, you'd open multiple tabs and compare prices manually. Coupert completely eliminates that. While you're browsing, it automatically shows you if the same product is cheaper somewhere else and exactly how much you can save. It even shows price history, so you know if it's actually a good deal. That's what they call real-time savings, and it saves both time and money. Now let me show you something real quick. This is the Coupert homepage. Super simple. You install it, create a free account, and that's it. Then when you're shopping, you'll see the Coupert pop up. You click Apply Coupons, and it starts testing everything automatically, and at the end, it shows you exactly how much you saved. Simple, fast, done. And this isn't some small tool either. Coupert works with over 200,000 stores worldwide, has millions of users, and on average, people save around $600 a year combining coupons, cashback, and price comparisons, which is kind of crazy for something that runs in the background and costs nothing. So yeah, instead of doing all the work yourself, you just let Coupert handle it. Because at the end of the day, Coupert finds the best coupons, guaranteed savings. Why pay full price when you don't have to? If you want to try it, I've put the link in the description. Install it, and next time you shop, just watch it do its thing. And if you like tools that save you time and money like this, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.